Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 best Samsung S22 Ultra 5G Ringke cases you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. If you want everything and anything, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the phone to get. It's a beast and the Note replacement that many fans have been hoping for. It's a big, expensive phone, so while you're waiting for one, you can get a head start on protecting it with a protective case or cover. The good news is that there are numerous options available, ranging from slim and light cases to rugged and wallet cases. To assist you in selecting the best Samsung S22 Ultra 5G Ringke case for you, I have created this video guide for the best Samsung S22 Ultra 5G Ringke cases. So let's get this party started. 3. Ringke Fusion. There aren't many differences between this and the other Ringke cases, except that we found this one to be slightly softer to the touch and easier to install. The standard clear version has fingerprint issues as well, but there are matte versions that largely solve this problem. Furthermore, it includes the lanyard holes found on other Ringke cases, which most other manufacturers overlook. The Ringke Air is an even thinner version made by the company, but it's quite thin and doesn't provide much drop protection. As a result, we'd recommend going with the Fusion, which is roughly the same price. It comes in a variety of colors and designs, including matte clear, simple clear, floral, and wild floral. Raised bezels protect the front display and rear camera from scratches and damage. 2. Ringke Onyx. This Ringke Onyx is a brilliantly made case from Ringke this time. Thermoplastic polyurethane is a high-quality material. The case is slim fit, it offers heavy-duty protection, and one of its unique features is that it is shock absorbent. TPU is flexible and long-lasting, making it ideal for heavy-duty defense. Grip-enhancing circular embossed sides add extra security. The anti-skid and anti-fingerprint matte granulate texture is unique. With the built-in dual quick-catch lanyard holes, you can attach hand or neck straps. The strap is sold separately. Wireless charging is supported, and it is screen protector compatible. 1. Ringke Fusion X. The Fusion X is a little out of the ordinary for a Galaxy S22 Ultra case, but this option from Ringke checks a lot of boxes. First and foremost, it is thin and lightweight, which is why it falls into this category. An exaggerated TPU bumper with extra corner reinforcement, on the other hand, makes it very protective. But it's the inclusion of holes in the sides of the case for a phone strap or lanyard that really won us over. It's not a big deal, but it's the little things that matter. This feature is not found on many other cases, and it is extremely useful for those of us who are clumsy. The hard polycarbonate back is available in both designed or transparent, allowing you to show off the phone's color and design. The display and rear camera are protected by a raised lip, and the sides and corners are reinforced with a TPU bumper for added drop protection. There is also a built-in lanyard hole for connecting wrist and neck straps. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung S22 Ultra 5G Ringke cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.